आप देख रहे हैं ARTV चैनल।
डॉन हाई स्कूल मलकपेट में ब्रिटिश काउंसिल की जानिब से ऑनलाइन टीचर्स ट्रेनिंग कोर्स मुनक्कद किया गया। कोर्स की तकमील पर आज सर्टिफिकेट्स की तकसीम अमल में आई। इस तकरीब में मज़हर हुसैनी चेयरमैन सीड अमेरिका मेहमान खुसूसी की हैसियत से शिरकत की। डायरेक्टर स्कूल फजलुर रहमान खुर्रम ने तफसीलात पेश की। इस तकरीब की सदारत डॉक्टर गुलाम अब्बास ने की और नाम फाउंडेशन के जिम्मेदार मुजीब ने मेहमान खुसूसी के तौर पर शिरकत की।
Not only this, pre-primary teachers training course is such a great person, not a but great. I can use the word great for him. I used also, I talk to you. What does it mean? He sponsored this teachers training course also. He gave us 70,000 rupees, and for our teachers we have maybe I think more than 20 teachers have written by now, and but for outsiders we use that money, those who have joined and without because what we are thinking, all our teachers, if we cannot make them do B.Ed or D.Ed, there's a big money involved to start that college and all, we cannot do, but at least pre-primary teachers training, it is recognized by the government of Telangana, by the department of in Board of Intermediate, and it is useful all over the world for this Montessori pre-primary schools. So
how many teachers?
roughly about 40 in these 3 batches, but because of pandemic they could not write one exam, and that's why we are waiting for that exam. It is there.
More than 40, sir. More than 40.
More than 40 teachers they have written in all these batches, 3, 4, 5.
70,000 how many?
70,000, about 15, because we did not give everybody 7,000. We were charging 7,000, but we did not charge from anybody actually, in fact. But some we gave 3,000, 3,500, some we paid 5,000, and that way we managed. So a big thank you for that also, because I want actually your permission, if we can use your name logo, that in collaboration with Seed, if you give us permission, next time we want to do with that one. Seed and Dawn are going to pick up this time. We would like to give more additions, because in pandemic 18 months we thought that let it go. Now the time is there for admissions, so we can give about 40 admissions every 3 months, we are thinking. But these 40 will be very strong teachers with their good English background and practical training in the school, how to teach, with some good expert teachers, those who will be teaching them. And so that I recollected just now, because of you such a big person. I used to know the name of Naam Foundation. Sir is here. I just heard so many schools.
Class, but they don't realize. They don't realize. And if you ask them to take a hearing test, they say, no, I'm fine. But they talk to you in a very loud voice. When somebody talks to you loud voice, why? Because they themselves cannot hear. That's why they talk in a loud voice. And I didn't know this. One of my friends told me. I have my hearing aid. So sometimes when people speak in a very low voice, pitch, I can't hear. So it's a very difficult thing. We need to realize, and we need to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for what we have. We have eyesight, hearing, and everything. Do we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enough? No. The only way we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is to follow the commandments, worship Him, do what He says us to do, stay away from things which He tells us not to do. Alright? My wife has very good hearing. We live on the ground floor in our bedroom. My son used to live on the first floor. And his wife would fight with him. And the mother will hear everything. And she will get upset. This is what she's saying, this is what she's doing. I keep telling her, you ignore it's their life. Fortunately, I don't hear. Sometimes hearing is good, sometimes it hurts you. Right? But she can hear long distance. And many of you can do, I think. Hearing is important when you are in the class. Another thing I give you a tip is obviously I used to tutor a lot. When you have a good student, you like to teach. You like that student. Easy to teach, easy to deal with. But you need to concentrate on the ones who don't understand. The difficult ones are your target. Don't take the easy ones. They will make pass everything. You need to concentrate on the ones who are not doing their work, they don't understand, they will be left behind. You need to bring them to the level of others. So please do this, because a child, if you don't teach the child, lost, completely lost, right? They grow up without knowing much, and it's a loss, complete loss. So it's big responsibility on teachers to teach. English language is important because wherever you go to Maharashtra, you go to North, everything is in Hindi. If you know Hindi, fine. If you go to Maharashtra, everything is in Marathi. So English, still in India, you can go anywhere. Accent is important because you need to learn. British Council is doing this free. I think the cost is involved, something certificates, I don't know what it is. And the coordinator salary, whatever, right? And please help your children as much as you can. Make dua for your management. They allowed you to take the course. The management does not allow you, cannot do it. Right? Always increase your knowledge. Right? You need to prepare for your lessons. Prepare well. Don't go to class without preparing. Alright, you've been teaching same subject, but again, being prepared is the way to go. Alright? Alright, this Sultana, Fatima Sultana, whatever. She did a good job I'm seeing, right?
Yes.
And obviously you see she prepared. She brought some jokes, quiz, questions. This is what requires to be successful. Right? Preparation. Even with the house, you need to talk to your children. You need to communicate with them. You can take मैं इनको साथ इसलिए रखता हूँ कि he carries a stick. So you carry a stick. देखा तो गायब हो गया. पीछे रखा.
Sir, it is not for me, for others.
ये इनके लिए नहीं है, दूसरों के लिए. When you have a stick, you can get the children to do whatever, right? But when you don't have the stick, they will not listen to you. So what we need to do is talk to them, communicate to them, don't hit them. हमारे पास जो पढ़ाने का तरीका है मारने से. आप किसी भी दीनी मदरसे में चले जाएं, टीचर के बाद छड़ी होती है. मैं जाता हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ ये क्या कर रहे हैं आप छड़ी से? कहते हैं कि मार के बगैर बच्चा नहीं सीखता. This is completely wrong concept. अमेरिका में आप अगर बच्चे को मारेंगे तो they will report and the police will come and catch you, take you to jail actually. Even parents नहीं मार सकते, पेरेंट्स नहीं मार सकते, तो बच्चों को कन्विंस करना बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है, उनसे बात करना, उनको समझाना। तो आपके अपने भी बच्चे हैं घर में, तो उनको समझाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप उनको मारेंगे तो वो कर लेंगे, बट दे विल नॉट नो व्हाट इज़ राइट व्हाट इज़ रॉन्ग। सेम थिंग इन स्कूल, अगर आप पनिशमेंट देना है तो उनको खड़ा कर देंगे बेंच पे। हमारे टीचर उनको बेंच पे खड़ा कर, कभी बेंच पे खड़ा करके बोलते दीवार की तरफ मुंह कर दो, ह्यूमिलिएशन, बट दैट वर्क। और एक हमारे उस्ताद थे उर्दू के, वो कान पकड़ के ऐसे पकड़ते थे एंड ही विल रोटेट इट। आपका कान 3 दिन तक दर्द, इतना दर्द, फिर कभी आप उनकी क्लास में गड़बड़ नहीं करते। एनीवे, मैं इधर उधर भटक गया। आई एम वेरी वेरी ग्लैड टू सी योर प्रोग्रेस एंड दिस इज नॉट द एंड, कंटिन्यू टू इम्प्रूव, राइट? ओके, इंशाल्लाह। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
आप देख रहे हैं ARPV चैनल।